Yes, class. Welcome to my class of SST. Today we will be doing the chapter number 4 in geography, that is climate. ये जो आपका चैप्टर है ये 7 मार्क्स का आएगा आपके एग्ज़ाम के अंदर. सो मैंने इस चैप्टर को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है और टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डील अबाउट व्हाट इज़ अ क्लाइमेट एंड व्हाट इज़ अ वेदर, व्हाट इज़ ह्यूमिडिटी. ये जो आपकी ग्लॉसरी पार्ट है इसमें मैंने वन वर्ड के फॉर्म में दूंगी. फॉर्म में आपको ये क्वेश्चंस एक्स्ट्रा वाले करने हैं, जैसे कि पूरा आप डेफिनेशन लिख दोगे क्लाइमेट की और फिर आंसर में क्या लिखोगे, क्लाइमेट. एंड सेम विल बी विद द वेदर एंड अनदर विल बी विद द ह्यूमिडिटी. ओके क्लास, नाउ लेट अस बिगिन विद इट. Yes, class. What is climate? Climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time. And weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. And the next definition is what is humidity. Humidity is a measure of dampness of the atmosphere. It varies greatly from place to place and from time to time. लीवर्ड साइड. व्हाट इज़ लीवर्ड साइड? ये सब आपको ना वन वर्ड में करना है. A rain shadow area of dry land that lies on the downward side of mountain. What is rainfall? It refers to a condensed water vapor which falls on the earth from the clouds in the form of water drops. Then, what do you mean by mango shower? The pre-monsoon showers which help in the ripening of the mangoes in the coastal areas of Karnataka and Kerala. And what do you mean by a loo? A strong, gusty, hot, dry wind blowing during the day over the north and the northwestern India. And another name, Kal Bhakshi. In West Bengal, the season of the localized thunderstorm is associated with the violent winds, torrential downpours, often accompanied by the hail. These storms are known as Kal Bhakshi. Now we are going to do what is a climate. The term climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and the variation prevailing over a large area or for a long period of time. The word weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. फिर उसके बाद है बेसिक एलिमेंट्स आर द सेम, जैसे कि टेम्परेचर है, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है, विंड है, ह्यूमिडिटी एंड परसेप्शन है. दीज आर बेस्ड ऑन द जनरलाइज मंथली एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन. इन्होंने पूरे ईयर को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है, दैट इज़ विंटर, समर, रेन एंड रेनी सीजन. The world is divided into a number of climatic regions. The climate of India is described as monsoon type. This type of climate is found in the South Asia and the southeastern countries. So we have seen in the first paragraph what is the definition of climate, what is the definition of weather, and इसके क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स हैं, जैसे कि टेम्परेचर, एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन, विंड, ह्यूमिडिटी एंड परसेप्शन. और फिर हमने देखा कि है ना ये पूरा ईयर जो है वो डिवाइडेड इनटू सीज़न है, दैट इज़ द विंटर्स, द समर एंड द रेनी सीजन. The world is divided into number of climatic region. और जो इंडिया है वहाँ पे कैसा क्लाइमेटिक रीजन है, मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट है. This type of climate is also found in the South Asia and the southeastern countries. So in this paragraph we have discussed about द टर्म क्लाइमेट, फिर वेदर, फिर उसके क्या एलिमेंट्स हैं, फिर सीज़न कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, और फिर वो क्लाइमेट मतलब इंडिया के अंदर किस टाइप का क्लाइमेट हैगा, दैट इज़ द मानसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. ठीक है, और ये मानसून और टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट कहाँ पे फाइंड आउट होता है आपका, साउथ एशिया एंड द साउथ ईस्टर्न कंट्री. ओके, गो थ्रू दिस पैराग्राफ. So, regional climate variation in India. Although there is an overall unity in the general climatic pattern of India, there are some visible variation. Temperature. In India, there is much variation in the temperature in the different parts of the country, even in the season. For example, in the summers, the temperature in Rajasthan desert may be 50 degree, but on the same day it will be round about 20 degrees centigrade in some part of Jammu and Kashmir. कह रहा है कि देखो जब गर्मियाँ होती हैं राजस्थान के अंदर जो टेम्परेचर है वो कितना आ रहा है आपका 50 डिग्री आ रहा है. ठीक है, लेकिन उसी टाइम उसी जगह पे पूरे इंडिया के अंदर एक जगह है जम्मू कश्मीर, वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कितना नोट आउट करेंगे 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ओके, ऑन अ विंटर नाइट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द्रास इन लद्दाख में फॉल डाउन टू -45 डिग्री, और त्रिवंतीपुरम में ये एक्सपीरियंस क्या करेंगे 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ओके, तो ये आ रही है आपकी वेरिएशन इन द टेम्परेचर. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट आ रहा है अपना परसेप्शन. There is a significant variation not only in the form and the type of perception but also in the amount and the seasonal distribution. When perception is remaining country, the annual perception range from over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than जब मेघालय के अंदर 400 सेंटीमीटर बरसात हो रही है तो लद्दाख में कितनी हो रही है 10 सेंटीमीटर, और लद्दाख और वेस्टर्न राजस्थान में हो रही है 10 सेंटीमीटर. Most of the country receive rainfall from June to September. Some parts of the Tamil Nadu coast get much rainfall during the October and November. Upper parts of the Himalaya receive the perception in the form of snow. While it rains, जब पूरे जगह पे वो हिमालयस में स्नोफॉल हो रही होगी तो पूरे इंडिया के अंदर क्या हो रही होगी, बरसात हो रही होगी. समझ में आया बेटा? पहला था वेरिएशन इन द टेम्परेचर, सेकंड आ रहा है आपका परसेप्शन. अब मेरी बात आगे सुनो. In certain places there is a wide difference between the day and night temperature. In the Thar desert, the day temperature may rise to 50 degrees centigrade and drop down to near 15 degrees the same night. On the other hand, there is hardly any difference in the day temperature and the night temperature in Andaman and Nicobar Islands or in Kerala. अब ये क्लाइमेट कैसे कंट्रोल होता है उसके अगेंस्ट 6 पॉइंट्स. पहला पॉइंट है लैटिट्यूड, फिर एल्टीट्यूड, फिर प्रेशर इन द विंड सिस्टम, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी, ओशन करंट्स एंड द रिलीफ फीचर्स. हाँ बेटा, अब देखो, देयर आर 6 मेजर फैक्टर्स दैट कंट्रोल द क्लाइमेट ऑफ एनी प्लेस. दे आर लैटिट्यूड, एल्टीट्यूड. एल्टीट्यूड का मतलब क्या होता है? हाइट. प्रेशर एंड द विंड सिस्टम, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी, ओशन करंट्स एंड द रिलीफ फीचर्स. Due to the Earth's structure, the amount of solar energy received varies according to the latitudes. Subsequently, the air temperature decreases from the equator towards the pole. As we go from the surface of the Earth to the higher height, the atmosphere becomes less dense. मतलब less हो जाता है और temperature हो जाता है decrease. Thus, the pressure in the wind system of any area depends on the latitude and the altitude of that place. It affects the temperature and the rainfall pattern. The sea has a moderating people experience extreme weather condition. The condition is known as continentally, which means very hot during the summers and it is very cold during the winters. The climate of the coastal area is affected by the ocean current along with some onshore winds. For example, any coastal area with warm or cold current passing over it will be warmed or cooled if the winds are on shores. Finally, the relief also plays an important role in determining the climate of the place. High mountains act as a barrier for cold or hot winds. They may cause precipitation on the windward side if they are high enough and lie in the path of rain-bearing wind. The leeward side of mountains remains relatively dry. Factors which are affecting the Indian climate. They are latitude. India has a high mountain in the north which have an average height of 6,000 meters. India has an extensive coastal region where the maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The Himalayas prevent the entry of the cold winds which are coming from the Central Asia. Because of these mountains, the subcontinent experiences the milder winter as compared to the Central Asia. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into the tropical zone and the subtropical zone. The line runs from the Rann of Kutch to the Mizoram east. India climatic characteristic has tropical as well as subtropical climate. Altitude. India has the high mountain in the north, which has an average height of about 6,000 meters. India also has an extensive coastal region where the maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The Himalaya prevent the entry of the cold wind which are coming from the Central Asia. Only because of these mountains, these subcontinent experience comparatively milder winter as compared to that of the Central Asia. The pressure and the wind. The following atmospheric conditions govern the climate and associate weather conditions. pressure and the surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbance and the tropical cyclones. ठीक है. Pressure and the surface wind. India lies in the region of the northeast surface winds that rises from the subtropical high pressure belt of the northern hemisphere. The wind blows southwards and gets diverted to the right due to the Coriolis force and move towards the equatorial low pressure region. They carry little moisture as they rise and blow over the land. They bring little or no rain. Pressure and surface of the wind. India lies in the region of the northeasterly surface wind that rise from the subtropical high pressure belt to the northern hemisphere. These winds blow towards the southwards and get diverted to the right due to the Coriolis force and move towards the equatorial low pressure region. They carry little moisture as they rise and blow over the land. So they bring little or no rainfall. ये Coriolis force क्या होता है? This is an induced force caused by the earth rotation. This force is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as the Ferrel law. This is an induced force caused by the earth rotating. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting the winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as the Ferrel law. During winter, the high pressure area develop in the north of the Himalayas. Cold and the dry wind blow from the region to the low pressure area over the ocean to the south. In summer, there is a low pressure area over the interior Asia as well as in the northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of the wind during the summer. Air moves from the high pressure area over the southern India Ocean in a southeasterly direction, passes the equator and turns right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as the southwest monsoon winds. The wind blows over the warm ocean, collects moisture and brings the widespread rainfall over the India's mainland. बीस मिनट का हो गया। आप लोगों ने देखा कैसे कैसे मतलब ये क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, क्या क्या उसके मेन एलिमेंट्स हैं एंड ऑल।
दिखा दिया।
Coriolis force क्या होता है? This is an induced force caused by the earth rotation. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as the Ferrel laws. During the winters, the high pressure area develops in the north of the Himalayas. Cold and dry wind from the region to the low pressure areas over the ocean to the south. In summers, there is a low pressure area over the interior Asia as well as in the northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of the wind during the summer. The air moves from the high pressure areas over the southern Indian Ocean in the southeasterly direction, passes the equator, and turns right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. These are also known as the southwest monsoon winds. These winds blow over the warm oceans, collect moisture, and bring widespread rainfall over the Indian mainland. Upper air circulation. Upper air circulation of Indian subcontinent is dominated by the westerly flow which is governed by the jet stream. अब बताओ ये jet stream होती क्या है? They are the narrow belt of high height westerly wind in the troposphere. The speed varies from about 110 km/h in summer to about 184 km in winter. Where a number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant are the mid-latitude and the subtropical jet stream. These streams are located over 27 degree minus 30 degree northern latitude and are also known as the subtropical westerly jet winds. They blow south of the Himalayas throughout of the year except in summer. The westerly flow brings the western cyclonic disturbance which is experienced in the north and the northwestern part of the country. तो बेटा आप लोगों ने समझा क्या हुआ ये? अब आ रहा है वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्टर्बेंस एंड द ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स. The western cyclonic disturbance are the weather phenomena of the winter months brought in by the westerly flow of the Mediterranean region. They influence the weather of the north and the northwestern region. Tropical cyclones occur during the monsoon as well as in October-November and are also the part of the easterly flow. These disturbances affect the coastal region of the country. In summers, the subtropical region western jet stream blows to the north of Himalayas with the apparent movement of the sun. An easterly jet stream are also called the subtropical easterly jet stream which blows over the Indian peninsula at about 14 degree north during the summer months. ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक है आपका चैप्टर और मैंने आपको इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिए हैं. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपको सबमिट करना है होमवर्क कहाँ पे 27/11/20 को ऐप के ऊपर करना है क्योंकि आप लोग अभी भी अपना पूरा वर्क नहीं कर रहे हो. अगर नहीं करोगे तो यू विल बी द सफरर क्योंकि ये सब मार्क्स काउंट होंगे आपके रिज़ल्ट के अंदर कि आप लोग कितना प्रॉपर पे अटेंशन कर रहे हो कि नहीं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. अब मैंने ना एनसीईआरटी अभी ये ए पार्ट में तो मैंने एनसीईआरटी के कॉर्नर के जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं वो दे रही हूँ और जब मैं बी पार्ट कराऊँगी तब मैं आपको वो भी दे दूँगी दूसरा पार्ट का. ठीक है, तो अभी आपको ये सब क्वेश्चन आंसर अपने कॉपी के अंदर करने हैं। पहला बेटा एनसीईआरटी का जो कॉर्नर हैगा वो है आपका पेज नंबर 118 में हैगा है, और ये मैं क्लाइमेट का ए पार्ट यहाँ तक करा रही हूँ। कल मैं मतलब नेक्स्ट क्लास में इंडियन मानसून स्टार्ट कराऊंगी। पहला क्वेश्चन है चूज़ द करेक्ट का फर्स्ट का आंसर है बी, सेकंड का बी, थर्ड का सी, फोर्थ का सी एंड फिफ्थ का बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है फैक्टर्स विच इफेक्ट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया आर latitude, altitude, pressure and the wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and the relief features. Why does, ये बहुत important question है, why does India have a monsoon type of climate? India has a monsoon type of climate because there is a seasonal reversion in the wind. During the 6 months, monsoon wind blows from sea to land, and during the next 6 months, they blow from land to sea. Monsoon wind blow between 5 degrees to 30 degrees latitude on both the sides of the equator. India lies between these latitudes and it is influenced by the monsoon wind. Which part of India experiences the highest curical range of temperature and why? The Thar Desert of Rajasthan experiences the highest diurnal range of temperature because in the Thar Desert the weather conditions change from day to night. During the day the temperature is high and during the night it is cold. It falls. ठीक है? What are jet streams and how do they affect the climate? Jet streams are the narrow belt of high altitude in the troposphere. Their speed varies from about 110 km/h in summer. It is about 184 km in winter. In India, jet streams blow from the south of the Himalayas throughout the year except in summer. The western cyclone disturbance experienced in the north and the northwestern part of the country are brought in this westerly flow. Define monsoon. What do you mean by the break in the monsoon? Monsoon has been defined from the Arabic word mausam, which means season. By break in the monsoon, we mean the rain takes only the place only for few days, break only for break only for few days at a time. It is called the break in the monsoon. It is related to the movement in the monsoon. So children, we have completed the chapter and you have to complete this work in your copy. Everybody has to do the work without any excuses and all, because जो आप वर्क कर रहे हो उसके भी मार्क्स आपके रिजल्ट में काउंट होंगे. पूरा रिकॉर्ड प्रिपेयर बना जा रहा है. ठीक है. सो बी सीरियस एंड कंप्लीट योर वर्क ऑन टाइम एंड दिस वर्क यू हैव टू सबमिट ऑन 27/11/20. और सबको अपना वर्क अपनी जोग्राफी पोर्शन में कंप्लीट करना है. ये आपका जोग्राफी का 4th चैप्टर है.